Honor has unveiled the new Honor X7d, a new entry-level smartphone focused on durability and autonomy like many in this series. But the curious thing is that this release comes just 8 months after its predecessor, which was the Honor X7c. So it seems that Honor is speeding things up too much. The device has 5-star drop resistance certification by the SGS, like several devices of this brand, and a 65 IP rating, resistance against water and dust, improving specifically in this aspect against the last generation that had IP64. The battery is a highlight and the biggest update from the previous model, boasting a large capacity of 6,500 mAh and fast charging at 35 watts. In comparison, the last model had a battery of either 5,200 or 6,000 mAh, depending on the region of its distribution, so we do not know if this model will repeat a formula, changing the capacity of its battery depending on the different countries. The screen is 6.77 inches LCD with HD resolution and 120 Hz in its refresh rate. Very simple in performance. Uses the Snapdragon 685 chip with up to 16 gigabytes of virtual RAM, so it repeats formula in this sense. Storage is 256 gigabytes, although curiously, it lacks a micro SD slot, which is quite common in this range and was included in the previous generation. In this aspect, it takes a step back. However, in other respects, it stays the same. Regarding cameras, it features a 108 megapixel main sensor along with a 2 megapixel depth sensor, which is supposed to enhance portraits. The company has yet to reveal pricing or availability, so we need to wait for these two important details. And as I've mentioned, certain specifications might also differ, particularly regarding the battery, based on the regions or countries where it is available. However, this provides at least an initial global look at this device. And now, please share in the comments for the entry range what you find more significant, a massive battery or a highly durable design.